विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथि करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्। अद्यतन पंचांगम मे 15 प्लवनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे वसंत ऋतौ वैशाख मासे शुक्लपक्षे चतुर्थी तिथिः 2:30 AM स्थिरवासरः। आर्द्रा नक्षत्रं 3:44 AM पुनर्वसुः नक्षत्रं followed by that. धृति योगः till 4:59 PM followed by Shula Yoga. Vanik Karanam till 11:33 followed by Vishti till what is it, midnight, 30 minutes after midnight. But Chaturthi also till 30 minutes after midnight, my mistake. Followed by Bhava Karanam. If we were doing it tomorrow, this class, it would have been much better than, just as a panchangam wise, because tomorrow is Punarvasu Nakshatram, Rama's Nakshatram. Then tomorrow is Vaishakha Shukla Panchami, which is Shankara Jayanti. Shankara Jayanti is the ultimate thing for all of us Hindus. So yeah, at least we remembered Adi Shankara today. Anyways, let's also remember him with that shloka, which we normally chant in the Guru Parampara. सदाशिव समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमां अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंतां वंदे गुरु परंपराम. So starting with Sadashiva Shankara, and then Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam, starting with Sadashiva Shankara, but revived by Adi Shankara So Shankaracharya Madhyamam, the next biggest milestone for us is our beacon, next big staff post is Adi Shankaracharya. So Shankaracharya Madhyamam, and from there now for our recent gurus, whoever we have, Asmad Acharya Paryantam, till the end, or till our immediate acharyas under whose guidance we are living and following, unto this Guru Parampara, Vande Guru Parampara, we do Vandanam to all of them, starting with Sadashiva, through Adi Shankara, till our acharyas. One day in advance, we have said that because tomorrow we don't meet. So that's why. Okay. Leena or anybody, can you recap for us 18, 19, 20 Sargas? What were we doing? You're on mute, Leena.
So Vishwamitra,
20th Sarga, what was it?
Vishwamitra comes to Dasharatha and he asks him to send Rama with him to kill the Asuras, and Dasharatha says, spare Rama, you can take me. But Vishwamitra says no, and he gets angry that Dasharatha is not able to fulfill his desire.
Okay. Yeah, so that was in 20th Sarga. Nanetumarhasi, Nanetumarhasi, Nanetumarhasi. And towards the end, he got into fury, glowing like fire, we said, right? That was where we ended 20th Sarga. Let's start with 21st Sarga. Atha Ekavinsha Sargaha.
Atha Ekavinsha Sargaha.
Tachutva Vachanam Tasya.
Tachutva Vachanam Tasya.
Sneha Paryakulaksharam.
Sneha Paryakulaksharam.
Samanyuh Kaushiko Vakyam.
Samanyuh Kaushiko Vakyam.
Pratyuvacha Mahipatim.
Pratyuvacha Mahipatim.
So Tatshutva, having heard what? Tasya Sneha Paryakulaksharam. Sneha is with all that love, and Akulam. Akula is that tragic sorrow, etc. we say, right? So that is Sneha Paryakulaksharam, with eyes filled with all that love and love-based tears. That is Sneha Paryakulaksharam. Tasya Sneha Paryakulaksharam Vachanam Shrutva Samanyuhu. Last time also we said, right? Namaste Rudra Manyava Uto Taishave Namaha. Manyu is Rudra directly. That fury is Manyu. So Manyuhu, Samanyuhu, along with Manyuhu, along with that fury, Kaushikaha, Vishwamitra, Mahipatim, unto Dasharatha, unto Mahipati, the king Raja, Vakyam Pratyuvacha, he replied back. One second, let me make Dhirendraji co-host so that he can keep admitting others. Yes. So now Vishwamitra's reply. Very, very beautiful lessons for us. Purvamartham pratishrutya.
Purvamartham pratishrutya.
Pratignyam hatumichhasi.
Pratignyam hatumichhasi.
Raghavanam ayuktoyam.
Raghavanam ayuktoyam.
Kulasyasya viparyayaha.
Kulasyasya viparyayaha.
So first thing he's saying, Hatum. Hatum is hananam, to kill. The word is kill. Hatum ichhasi. You want to kill. Kill what? Pratignyam. made promise that jo chahiye puchiye main de dunga. And Vakyam is Vakyam is Sakshat Saraswati Devi. That is where we first started, when we, in our first session itself, with Shapa and all, when we talked a lot about what the power and the respect we have for the speech. In fact, for every letter, Aksharam is directly, we say, is God's divinity. So speech is such a great thing, we say. And so such a promise you made, and you want to kill that promise. That means you want to break that promise. Break is, see, in English they don't take it so seriously. For them it's only breaking a promise. But for us it is killing a promise. It is such a big thing of, if you stand, take back from your thing. It is not just breaking. If you break, that's okay. And you can probably do surgery back, orthopedic surgery, and probably put it back. But if you kill, you can never take it back. You can never bring it back. So it's so much of seriousness is given to speech, or to the aksharam, to the vakyam, to the promise, to every sentence that we talk. So purvam artham. So purvam artham pratishrutya. Pratishrutya is having promised. Shruti, we also said how the words come. We don't have one word called promise. It is pratigna, pratishravanam. All of these are anything. If you made others to listen you, that is a promise. There is no more additional word called promise. If you say something, that is promise. Because anything that you speak should be truth. Satyam vada. And so there need not be another word for promise in our culture. Our talk itself is promise. So pratishrutya. If you made me hear, that means aapne kuch bola. Wo bola tha, that is the promise. So purvam artham pratishrutya. You talked about some artha. Artha is some purpose. You talked about fulfilling my purpose before. And now that pratignyam hatumicchasi raghavanam ayuktaha ayam. Of all the Raghavas meaning of all the descendants of the Raghukula, Ikshvakukula, Raghukula, of all of them, this is ayuktaha. This is, unworthy of Raghavas, because they are meant for Satya Parakrama. Their Parakrama is only in keeping up to this reality, to the truth that you speak. So Raghavanam ayuktaha, you are unworthy of Raghavas. That is his manu. He is directly saying you are unworthy to be a Raghava. Ayam kulasya viparyayaha. You are a deviant, or you're a what is it called? You're a deviant, You are diverting. You don't belong to Raghava Kula anymore. Viparyayaha. Viparyaya is in one meaning, it is alternative, which means you don't belong here. That is not the original thing. It is an alternative. But in the negative, anger mood here, what it means is, hey, you don't belong here. You're a sidelined guy. You don't belong to Raghavas. That is the anger that Vishwamitra is saying. Puramartham pratishrutya pratignyam hatumicchasi raghavanam ayuktoyam kulasya viparyayaha is his first opening sentence. Yadidam te kshamam rajan.
Yadidam te kshamam rajan.
Gamishyami yathagatam.
Gamishyami yathagatam.
Mithya pratignyah kakutstha.
Mithya pratignyah kakutstha.
Sukhi bhava sabandhavaha.
Sukhi bhava sabandhavaha.
So we all know this type of talk also. We are not, that is not a real blessing. Okay, you be happy. Okay, you be happy. So what if so what if I'm disappointed? So what if I'm in trouble? You be happy, man. You enjoy. Which means we are not happy. Right? So that is our typical cultural thing. It is also called in Telugu sadhinchanam, we say. When you want to the only way you can do it is by sort of putting them into guilty, by letting them realize their guilt, by saying, okay, you be happy, all right, yeah, you be happy. ठीक है, मेरा क्या, मेरा कैसा जाए तो आपको क्या, आप सुखी रहो भाई, is what he is saying. So Kakutsa, of one descendant of Kakutsa Raja before. Okay. Hey Kakutsa, Sukhi Bhava, Sabandhava, enjoy with your family and friends, with your relatives. So what? Mithya Pratignya, he said, being a false promise maker, enjoy your life. So what now? Hereafter you don't have to Mithya Pratignya. You don't have to worry about keeping up to promises, right? You can talk whatever, you can make any promises and take back. So it doesn't matter, right? So you can be very happy hereafter. If you want to stick to promise, yeah, then you have to take pains. But if you anyway don't want to stick to your promises, doesn't matter. You can always be enjoying. You'll be the most happiest person. So Sukhi Bhava Sabandhava. And Yadi te kshamam rajan, yadi idam te kshamam. If kshamam is kshama, we say, right, which is your capacity. If this is your capacity, if this is your ability, then okay, enjoy. And yatha agatam tatha aham gamishyami. Just as I've come, I'll go back. I'll go back. I have no problem. I can solve it myself. But you enjoy, is what he's saying. Yadidam te kshamam rajan gamishyami yathagatam mithya pratigya kakutstha sukhi bhava sabandhavaha, is what he's saying. Tasya roshaparitasya
रोषपरीतस्य
Vishwamitrasya dhimatah
विश्वामित्रस्य धीमतः
Chachala vasudha kritsna
चचाल वसुधा कृत्स्ना
Vivesha cha bhayam suran.
विवेश च भयं सुरान्.
So now this is again narrating shloka. So tasya paritasya, rosha paritasya. Paritaha yadasti, paritaha is all surrounded by. Surrounded by rosha is rosha paritaha. So he is now rosha paritaha. He is surrounded by rosha. Tasya, of such rosha paritasya, Vishwamitrasya, dhimataha, dhiman saha, of such dhiman is dhimataha. So all of them are apostrophe SS. Apostrophe S, apostrophe S, apostrophe S. Tasya rosha paritasya Vishwamitrasya dhimataha, of, from his, of, or because of his anger, or because of his fury, Kritsna Vasudha Chachala. Vasudha, the entire earth. Kritsna, entire Vasudha. Chachala. Chachala is moved. It means there was an earthquake. If we were making a movie, then we'll show the earth or all the chairs and all trembling like this because of Vishwamitra's anger. How else do we show poetically of what is the anger that he is feeling? He has become one with the world because he has come with the purpose of doing that, getting that siddhi for the sake of the world, and especially with the intent of, and we will anyway, I will not tell that. We will hear it directly from Vasishtha, the intent of Vishwamitra. So for such a person who has become one with the nature and that much of anger, then the entire nature has to respond with him, react with him. So Kritsna Vasudha Chachala Vivesha cha Bhayam Suran. Suraha, gods. Suran, unto gods. Bhayam Vivesha cha. So not only did the earth move, to all gods also fear has entered them. What will happen? If he can create another world, That is the power of Vishwamitra. He can even destroy the world. That is the capacity. So knowing that, gods were afraid. Tena asmin tena asmin maitri asmin maitri bhuta dasharatopari kope asmadupari api Vishwamitra kopo bhavishyati iti deva bhaye hetuhu suchitaha. Actually, Raja Dasharatha, Vishwamitra, they are all kings, right? So kings have their own relationships of, friendliness, their alliances, their respect for each other, etc. So Maitri Bhuta Dasharathasya Upari Kope Yadi Asmadupari api Vishwamitra Kopo Bhavishyati. If unto his friend only Vishwamitra got so much anger, unto his friend or unto his acquaintance, friend Dasharatha himself, if he gets so much anger, on us, how much anger will he get? Because gods also should help good work. If gods are not helping, then gods are also scared. Oh my God, what fury will he show on us? So that is the point shown here. That means gods are always conscious to help, to be on the side of good, to help good. Just that we should take the sankalpa to stand for the right, to stand for good things, to take up good things, then gods will automatically come on our side. That is what is also hinted here. Suran bhayam cha vivesha, with that line. Trasta rupam savijnaya
Tastarupam savijnaya
jagat sarvam mahan rishihi
jagat sarvam mahan rishihi
nrupatim suvrato dhiro
Nrupatim suvrato dhiram
dhiro
dhiro
vasishtho vakyam abravit.
vasishto vakyam abravit.
Trasta rupam. Trasta is, so with that fury, now Dasharatha is slightly shaken, right? Hey Bapre, itna gussa aa gaya. What? So, trasta rupam, trahi. So, seeing Dasharatha's fear, Dasharatha, trasta rupam savijnaya, having identified. Jagat sarvam trasta rupam, not only of Dasharatha, of Jagat sarvam trasta rupam. Because we said, right, Vasudha, Kritsna, Vasudha Chachala, Bhayan, Surancha, Bhayam Vivesha. So looking at all of this reaction of the entire universe, Jagat Sarvam Trastarupam Saha Mahan Rishihi Vijnaya, having identified the reaction of the entire universe, Dhiraha Suvrataha Vasishthaha Nrupatim Vakyam Abravit. So the Dhira Suvrata, always sticking to good tasks and a good anushtana, Suvrata. Such Vasishtha, Dhira Vasishtha, Nrupatim unto Dasharatha, Vakyam Abravit. He said this sentence, or he said the following sentences. He said the following. Ikshvakunam kule jataha
Ikshvakunam kule jataha
Sakshad dharma iva paraha
Sakshad dharma iva paraha
Dhrutiman suvrataha Shriman
Dhrutiman suvrataha Shriman
na dharmam hatumarhasi.
Na dharmam hatumarhasi.
So Vasishtha is now in counseling mode. He is saying, Ikshvakunam kule jataha. You are born in the kula of Ikshvakus, and they are meant to be Sakshat Dharma Ivaha Aparaha. They are an embodiment of Dharma. They are supposed to be embodiments of Dharma. Sakshat अपरः धर्मः इव जातः इक्ष्वाकूणां कुले. So and Dhrutiman, you have to be the Dhrutiman. That means one who is determined. Dhritihi is determination. We said, right? Dhriti, determination. It comes from that. Dhritihi, Dhritar. So Dhritiman, Suvrataha. You have been Suvrataha, because otherwise you have done such a 1 year long Ashwamedha and then Ishti and all. So you are a Suvrata. Why did you just shatter for a small thing, is what he's trying to say. Dhritiman, Suvrataha, and you're Shriman. You're a rich person. You're Shriman, wealthy guy. What do you worry about? There is nothing for you to worry, is essentially what he's trying to say. He's starting with where you are. There is nothing for you to worry, is where he is going to derive the logic. Dhritiman, Suvrataha, Shriman. So, na dharmam hatum arhasi. Wherever Vishwamitra started, pratignyam hatum ichhasi, he asked. And so Vasishta is also counseling by saying, dharmam hatum na arhasi. You are not eligible. You cannot be killing dharma. You cannot be, in English, breaking dharma. But for us, you cannot be killing dharma. It is such a big offense, such a big sin. Na dharmam hatum arhasi. Trishu lokeshu vikyato.
Trishu lokeshu bhikshatu.
Vikhyatu.
Dharmatma iti Raghavaha.
Dharmatma iti Raghavaha.
Swadharmam pratipadyasva.
Swadharmam pratipadyasya.
Pratipadyasva.
Pratipadyasva.
Kshamasva. They hear that, right? So similarly, pratipadyasva.
Okay. Pratipadyasva.
Na dharmam vodhum arhasi.
Na dharmam vodhum arhasi.
So before he said, na dharmam hatum arhasi. You cannot be killing dharmam. Now he is saying, na adharmam vodhum arhasi. You cannot be bearing adharma. You cannot be killing dharma, which means you cannot be holding or, bearing, putting on adharma on you. You cannot be taking the burden of adharma. Na adharmam vodhum arhasi. And so what should you do? Swadharmam pratipadyasva. Pratipad. Pratipat. We say, right? Pratipad means start, or pratipad tithi also we say. Pratipadi. Pratipadi is pratipadanam, which means propose. Stick to the proposal of Swadharma. What is your dharma? Satya Vakya Paripalana. That is what has been Ikshvaku doing. So stick to it. Stick to it is what he's saying. Swadharmam pratipadyasva. And why? Because Trishu lokeshu vikhyataha. In all the three worlds, you are popular, you are reputed. Reputed to be what? Dharmatma Raghavaha iti. You are one of those Raghu's descendants known in all the worlds with the repute that you are a Dharmatma. So, you cannot be bearing adharma. So, what only can you do? Swadharmam pratipadyasva. Fall for Swadharma. Be in the line of Swadharma. What do we say in Prarthana? Falling for Swadharma. Which shloka in our Prarthana?
Sangha Shaktir Vijayatriyam. Kutva Smadharma Raksham. Paramam Vaibhavam Praktam.
That is all about dharmam. But here pratipadyasva. Pratipadya is pranipatam, we say, right? Falling for it. Kayo me patatu prabho. Patatu, fall. Pratipadya. Last one. त्वदीये पुण्यकार्येऽस्मिन् विश्वकल्याणसाधके त्यागसेवाव्रतस्यायम् अयं कायो मे पततु प्रभो. We say it, last shloka. So that is this one. Swadharmam pratipadyasva. Fall for it, and there is nothing that you can lose, because ultimately, you are reputed to be an embodiment of dharma in all the three worlds. There is nothing that you can lose beyond that. To stick to your dharma is what he's saying. Swadharmam pratipadyasva na dharmam vodhumarhasi. Samshrutyaivam karishyami
संश्रुत्यैवं करिष्यामि
इत्यकुर्वाणस्य राघव
इत्यकुर्वाणवस्य राघव
इष्टापूर्तवधो भूयात्
इत्तिष्ठापु
इष्टापूर्तवधो भूयात्
इष्टापूर्तवधो भूयात्
तस्माद् रामं विसर्जय.
तस्माद् रामं विसर्जय.
He's telling a lot more now. He's saying samshrutya evam karishyami. Hey Raghava, evam samshrutya karishyami iti akurvanasya ishtapurtavadha bhuyat tasmat ramam visarjaya. He is saying, hence send Rama, leave Rama. Why? Because evam samshrutya, we said pratishrutya, samshrutya means having made others hear you such, thus. Having made others hear you thus, which means having made the promise. We said there is no more word, there is no other word for us. I am repeating it over and over so that we understand the greatness of our principles of speech. If you talk, that is promise. There is nothing I do, I promise. So, evam samshrutya. Shruti is about hearing. Shrutya means, shrutva means having heard. Samshrutya, samyak shrutva, which means if you made others properly listen to you, that means you have made the promise already. So, evam samshrutya, what? Karishyami, I shall do. Having let Vishwamitra hear you that you said, I shall do. Akurvanasya. Kurvanasya, jo karne wala. Akurvanaha, jo nahi karne wala. So, karunga bolke na karne wala ka. Raghava, kya hota malum? Ishtapurta vadha. Vadha is murder or, slain, killing, assassination. Assassination of what? Ishtapurtaha. You did Ishta, Putrakameshti, you did Ashwamedha Yaga for one entire year. That entire effort, you are going to kill that effort by not doing what you promised to do. Right? You just made a blanket promise that I shall do whatever you want, Vishwamitra. You are my God, Guru, everything. Just say I shall do, you said. Now if you don't do it, the entire, that Ashwamedha Yaga and then Putrakameshti, everything that you did, Ishtapurta Vadaha, you are going to kill all that punya that you obtained. All of that will go in drain. So, Ishtapurta Vadaha Bhuyat Tasmat Ramam Visarjaya. Hence, leave Rama. Let Rama go. Don't bind Rama. Rama is not meant to be bound in four walls. He is meant for the world. So leave him. Tasmad Ramam Visarjaya. Kritastram va. Very funny, sister.
Kritastram va.
Abba. See, Lavanya is perfect always. Kritastram va
कृतास्त्रम् अकृतास्त्रं वा.
Second time also I tried. Maybe fluke, I thought. No, she is perfect. Nainam sakshanti rakshasaha.
नैनं सेक्षन्ति राक्षसाः.
Guptam kushikaputrena
गुप्तं कुशिकपुत्रेण
ज्वलेनामृतं यथा.
ज्वलनेनामृतं
ज्वलनेनामृतं यथा.
ज्वलनेनामृतं यथा.
Uttamam, uttamam. So he is continuing to say, so leave Rama, he said. Okay, if you leave Rama, I know what your concern is. That array he is such a young person. How can he fight Rakshasas? So he is telling, Kushikaputrena Guptam, if the protection under Kushikaputra, Vishwamitra, is equivalent to Jvalanena Amrutam Yatha. How do you protect Amrutam? Let's say in movies and all we see, right? You want to protect something. What do? You put fire around it. Then nobody enters it. Jvalanena, with fire. Amrutam Yatha Guptam Syat. Tatha Kushikaputrena Ramaha Guptam Bhavati. That is the analogy he is giving. If Amrutam, such a precious thing as Amrutam, has to be protected, what is the best way? Put it under fire. They put fire around it. Nobody will then enter to steal it. Nobody will enter to hurt it. Nobody can take it away. Such will be the protection that Vishwamitra can give Rama. So don't worry, leave Rama. You don't trust it? You don't believe Vishwamitra is such powerful? Now let me explain Vishwamitra's power. And here onwards, Vasishtha starts explaining Vishwamitra's greatness briefly. And so what is he saying? Krutastram akritastram va. So astram, we know two words, right? Shastra, astra. Shastra is material weapon. Material, matlab sword, simple baan, all shula, all of these are shastras. Shastra is something that cuts. In fact, from there only, Shastra Chikitsa we say, right? Because you cut open a body is called surgery. Shastra, surgery. See, all these words are Sanskrit words. Take any English or even medical or any term, it will have to come from Sanskrit. So, Shastra. And the other one is Astra. Astra is, there need not even actually be a weapon. You can take any material if required, but with mantra, when you launch it, it becomes the most powerful missile. And that is where we know all of our rajas, warriors do tapas to get those astras. And we know several names of those astras. Ultimate being Brahmastra, Pashupatastra, Agneyastra, Varunastra, etc. So many astras are there, right? So the one that you launch from with the mantra. So Kruta Astram, which means even if somebody launches an astra, Akruta Astram va, not an astra, but maybe a shastra. That means whether with shastra or astra, Nainam shakshanti rakshasaha, Nainam chindanti shastrani, Nainam dahati pavakaha, Na chainam kledayantyapu, Na soshayati marutaha. Right? Na enam is nainam. Inko. Na inko is nainam. Enam inko. Enam rakshasaha na shakshyanti. Rakshasas cannot, kill or cannot hurt Vishwamitra. With astras, without astras, which means without astras means with shastras. With astras or without astras. Kritastram, akritastram va, rakshasaha na enam sakshanti. And under such Vishwamitra's protection, Guptam Kushikaputrena, Amrutam Jvalanena Yatha. So, Visarjaya Ramam is what Vasishtha is telling Dasharatha. एष विग्रहवान् धर्मः
एष विग्रहवान् धर्मः
एष वीर्यवतां वरः
एष वीर्यवतां वरः
एष बुद्ध्याधिको लोके
एष बुद्ध्यादिको लोके
तपसश्च परायणम्.
तपसश्च परायणम्.
He is further saying about Vishwamitra. Whatever we normally hear of Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma as quoted by Maricha, if you see now the beauty of how it gets evolved. Rama is called much later in Aranyakanda by Maricha as Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. But in Balakanda in 25th Sarga, first usage of Vigrahavan Dharma is attributed to Vishwamitra by Vasishtha directly. Vasishtha is saying, Eshaha Vigrahavan Dharma. Vishwamitra, what do you think is he? He is an embodiment of Dharma. Eshaha Vigrahavan Dharma. And so if you send Rama with him, what will he become? Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. That is the logic. And beautiful screenplay. Beautiful screenplay. That is why this is the Adi Kavya, ultimate Kavya. The way things unfold, the way they are ordered, and the way the story is narrated, na bhuto na bhavishyat. Eshaha Vigrahavan Dharma. Eshaha Viryavatam Varaha. Viryavan. Viryavan. Of several Viryavans in Bahuvachanam Shashti Vibhakti. Viryavatam Varaha is the best of all the Viryavans. Eshaha Buddhyadiko Loke. In the world, in the world, he is the ultimate intellectual or ultimate, what do you call him? Most intelligent, intelligent. Ultimate intelligent, the best intelligent. Buddhi Adhikaha. Loke, he is the most Adhika, the most intelligent person in the world. And Tapasascha Parayanam. He is one who has done tapas. And later we will study. So now, see how, yesterday I was telling her, you scratch my back, I scratch your back. It is not like that, but essentially, if we know Vishwamitra and Vasishtha, they will have a very, a terrible fight between them. But they are praising each other. Vasishtha is praising Vishwamitra now. And later when Vishwamitra tells in detail that whole episode, several episodes of how the fight happened between Vishwamitra and Vasishtha, there he praises Vasishtha. They both praise each other. For that, so issue-based fights. For that issue you fight, but you have respect for each other, individuals. We learn all this in Sankara. This is what we learn. On that issue we fight even in a Baitak. But end of the Baitak, we all are in agreement. No more talking behind, no more complaining behind about anybody. Face to face, we all fight in the Baitak. नहीं करना है सब कुछ. एक बार बैठक हो गया, निर्णय ले लिया, बस we stick to it. We respect. After that, अरे वाह, it's our decision. It's our decision. We all respect each other. So that is where does all these lessons come for us from? From all our great Purvajaha. Vishwamitra and Vasishtha, when we read later, right, it will come more. When Vasishtha, after Rama goes, and then Vishwamitra tells one day how, all of that happens. Horrible fight that will be. And Vishwamitra also will be very bad because he was a Raja then. Raja means all wo sab ghamand rehta hai. So with that ghamand, he does all very bad activities. And so they fight. But only for that sake, he does the tapas. What you are just standing and with astras you are throwing. I am here with so much of Sainya, army and all, and I am still losing. What is that? Then he was told that it is because he is Brahmarshi. Oh, how do I become? You have to do tapas and get God's blessings. And so he does the tapas. And so, tapasascha parayanam. Vasishtha knows that Vishwamitra is also parayanam, beyond the ultimate, the end of tapas, or the ultimate tapas has been performed by Vishwamitra. Such a great person he is. And so there is no worry for you to send Rama with him, is what essentially the logic he has been building in counseling Dasharatha. Eshostran vividhan vetti.
Eshostran vividhan vetti.
Trailokye sacharachare.
Trailokye sacharachare.
Nainamanyah puman vetti.
Nainamanyah puman vetti.
Nacha vetsyanti kechana.
Nacha vetsyanti kechana.
Eshaha vividhan astran vetti. Vetti? What is vetti?
Knows.
Knows. With the dhatu, all of us should know. With. Vetti. No. Eshaha vividhan astran vetti. He knows various astras. Vividhan astran vetti. Trailokye sacharachare. In this animate, inanimate, three worlds, he knows all the various astras. Eshaha puman nainam anyaha vetti. Nobody else would know so many astras as he knows. Nacha vetsyanti kechana. Nor can anyone know in the future. Vetti is present tense and past tense. Vetsyanti is future tense, bhavishyat kala. So, anyaha puman enam na vetsyanti kechana. There can be nobody else in the future also who can learn so much. He already knows so much. And hence, you can bindas bhet sakte ho, is what he is trying to say. Na deva rishayah kechin.
Na deva rishayah kechin.
Kechit. Nasura na cha rakshasaha.
Nasura na cha rakshasaha.
Rakshasaha. Bahuvachanam.
Rakshasaha.
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 Gandharva yaksha pravaraha.
Gandharva yakshakra pravaraha. Sakinnara mahoragaha. Sakinnara mahoragaha.
Mahoragaha. दीर्घ रखना है बहुवचन के लिए. Uragaha is ekam, one. Uragaha bahuvachana. Rakshasaha bahuvachana. So, and not only other ordinary people. Na devaha rishayaha kechit. There neither gods nor other rishis. Nacha rakshasaha, nor neither rakshasas. Gandharva yaksha pravaraha, the best of Gandharvas and yakshas, or Sakinnara mahoragaha, kinnaraha, another species of kinnaraha. Are they humans? Such doubtful human beings species. Mahoragaha, big serpents, which uragam, uras is chest. One who move, gacchati, urasa gacchati, uragaha. So, those who crawling species, essentially. All crawling species, which are serpents typically, serpent species. Reptile species. Sakinnara mahoragaha, narde. Sarvastrani krushasvasya. Here onwards, what do we do? It's already 8:12, but I wanted to introduce another great character today. And she's among us. Good. We can go? Pratigna says we can go ahead. Okay. It's a small sarga only. 12 we did. Another 9 shlokas. 21 shlokas only. So sarvastrani krishasvasya
सर्वास्त्राणि कृशास्त्रस्य
putrah paramadharmikaah
पुत्राः परमधार्मिकाः
kaushikaya pura datta
कौशिकाय पुरा दत्ता
yada rajyam prashasati.
यदा राज्यं प्रशासति
Prashasati. So there is another patha here. Krishasvasya, it is also called Bhrishasvasya. Bhrishasva. So there is one Rishi, who is a Prajapati, one of the Prajapatis in the beginning. So called by name Krishasva. Krishasvasya putraha, his sons, Paramadharmikaah. They are very dharmic people. They Kaushikaya, unto this Vishwamitra, Kaushikaya, Chaturthi, unto him, Sarvastrani Pura Dattah. They have given away all astras. Yada Rajyam Prashasati. When Vishwamitra was ruling, when he was a Raja, that time itself, such long ago itself, the Krishasasya Putraha Paramadharmikaha Pura Dattaha. They have given away all the astras to Vishwamitra. So Vasishtha is trying to build the logic in counseling with Dasharatha that don't worry about sending Rama. Don't worry about Rama's protection. He is under Vishwamitra. Do you think Vishwamitra cannot do all this? And he says that line. Do you think he cannot do it himself? He can. He will say. Let us complete this sarga, even if it gets a bit delayed. Because Vasishtha, how he builds the logic of counseling and convincing Dasharatha, and the respect he has for Vishwamitra, in spite of there is so much of previous tussles and unpleasant events between them. Tepi putraha krishasvasya.
Tepi putraha krishasvasya.
Prajapati sutaha.
Prajapati sutaha.
Naikarupa mahaviryaha.
Naikarupa mahaviryaha.
Deeptimanto jayavaha.
Deeptimanto jayavaha.
So now in the next sloka, these two names are going to come and we will know who they are. Te api putraha krishasvasya prajapati sutaha. So Prajapati Suta, their Sutaha. Who are they? Who are the Paramadharmikaha Putraha, those who have given those astrani? Who are they? He is saying again, some more, they are not ordinary guys. They are not just Paramadharmikaha. They are Krishasvasya Prajapati Sutaha, children of his two daughters. Suta is Sutaha. Suta is Strilinga. Sutaha is Bahuvachanam. So sons of the daughters of Krishasvasya Prajapati. Naikarupaha, Anekarupaha, Mahaviryaha. Those sons are multifaceted essentially. Anekarupaha means several facets. That means each one is an expert, is a stalwart in different fields. So Aneka Rupaha, Mahaviryaha, Deeptimantaha. Deeptimantaha, glowing as light. Deeptiman, Dyutiman, Deeptimantaha, Bahuvachanam. Jayavaha, always victorious. Jayam avahanti. In fact, victory seeks their refuge is Jayavaha. Avahanam karoti. Jayaha avahanam karoti. Jayavaha. Those who invite Jayam, victory, win victory. And so, now Suprabhaji repeat this. Jayacha Suprabhachaiva.
जया च सुप्रभा चैव
दक्षकन्ये सुमध्यमे
दक्षकन्ये सुमध्यमे
ते सुवातेऽस्त्रशस्त्राणि
ते सुवातेऽस्त्रशस्त्राणि
शतं परमभास्वरम्.
शतं परमभास्वरम्.
Did you know your name? The story of your name? Huh? This is where your name comes from. That's why I wanted to continue this today, so that you know your history.
Okay.
You know your history. So that Krishasva Prajapati, he had two daughters, Jaya, Suprabha, are the two daughters. Jaya cha Suprabha chaiva Dakshakanya, sorry, not Prajapati, not Krishasva Prajapati. So Krishasva Prajapati's sons, they gave their astrani. Now there is another Daksha. We all know Daksha Prajapati, right? Daksha Prajapati had three daughters. One is Dakshayani, we know anyway that story. The other two daughters are Jaya and Suprabha. And see their valor, see their parakrama. Jaya cha Suprabha chaiva Daksha Kanye Sumadhyame. Sumadhyama is essentially about beautiful. Madhyama is center. Sumadhyama, beautiful center. Which means, I mean, we say woman body like this, right? One who have narrow waist are called Sumadhyama. Sumadhyame. Te Shatam Paramabhaswaram Astra Shastrani Suvate. They have distributed, which means they produced, they invented, and later they have distributed. Shatam, 100. Paramabhaswaram, very powerful, very excellent Astra Shastrani. Jaya and Suprabha, they have done so much tapas, and they have devised 100 different warfare ammunitions, astrani, missiles, astrani and shastrani. 50 each in the next sloka they say, 50 each. Jaya obtained 50 astras and shastras, and likewise Suprabha also has obtained 50 astras and shastras. And that is the capability of our women. They were missile makers, missile inventors, and missile distributors. So Suprabha is one who has invented 50 of them. So Panchashatam Sutan Lebhe.
Panchashatam Sutan Lebhe.
Jaya Nama Varan Pura.
Jaya Nama Varan Pura.
Vadha Yasura Sainyanam.
Vada Yasura Sainyanam.
Ameyan Kamarupinaha.
Ameyan Kamarupinaha.
See, without knowing, unconsciously she has named her son also Ameya. Now Vadhaya Asura Sainyanam Ameyan Kamarupinaha. So as I was preparing last night, I was delighted. Areva, we have our Suprabhati here. She has named her son Ameya, and exactly as mentioned in the 21st Sarga of Ramayana. So very good, very good. So Panchashatam Sutan Lebhe. Lebhe, Labha. Yeah, that means she has got. So Jaya got 50 sons. Panchashata. Panchashatam is 50. Sutan Lebhe, Jaya Nama, Varan, best sons, best 50 best sons. Pura, back then. Long ago, Jaya had 50 best powerful sons. Why? Vadhaya Asura Sainyanam, to kill the Asura arms, forces.
Bhogaji, Panchashatam is 500, right?
No. Panchashatam is 500. Chatvarimshat, Panchashat.
Okay.
Panchashat means 50. Panchashatam is 500. 500. Panchashatam is 50. So you have to, that is why you should attend Sambhashan Shibiram. You will at least know the numbers. And I say that when I teach them. At least practice these numbers daily. You would have read Chamakam. Because the last but one Chamakam, Anuvakam, is about ekachame, tisrachame, panchachame, saptachame, navachame, ekadashachame, all numbers. If you chant numbers, you are reading Veda, right? So we say in Sambhashan Shibiram, at least chant these numbers daily. Remember these numbers daily, so that you would have chanted at least that Anuvaka of Chamakam, Rudra Chamakam.
Mahodaya.
Anyway, so
Suvate तस्य का अर्थ?
सुवाते इति तस्य मूलव्युत्पत्तिः तु वात प्रवाह विषय वायुः. सुवाते सम्यक् वाते सम्यक् प्रवाहः क्रियते इति सुवाते इति साधारण अर्थः. अत्र तु अस्त्राणि अस्त्रशस्त्राणि सुवाते, शतम् अस्त्रशस्त्राणि सुवाते इत्युक्ते सा प्रवाहितवती इत्युक्ते सा दत्तवती इत्येव अर्थम्. अवगतम्?
आम्.
So essentially dattavati, the effective meaning is she has generated and given them, but literal meaning is she flew them. She flew them means, you know, she has took it from here to there. That means she gave it, she distributed it, she handed it over. Te suvate is bahuvachanam, dvivachanam. So those two have produced and given it. Vadhaya asura sainyanam ameyan kamarupinaha. Kamarupinaha. Literal meaning kamarupinam is as per wish, dress, one who can appear as per their wishes. But literally what it means is very intelligent, smart people. Smart essentially is kamarupinaha. Suprabha ajanayat, Suprabha janayat chapi
Suprabha
Sutan
janayat
panchashatam punah.
Sutan panchashatam punah.
Panchashatam punah. Samharan nama durdharshan.
Samharan nama durdharshan.
Samharan nama.
Samharan nama.
Durdharshan.
Samharan nama.
Durakraman baliyasah.
Durakraman baliyasah.
Suprabha cha api ajanayat panchashatam sutan punah. After Jaya, Suprabha also gave birth to 50 or produced 50 sons. Samharan, those who are for killing, they are also for killing. Samharan nama durdharshan. Durdharsha. Durdharsha, unstandable. That means you cannot stand before them. Such warriors, such great, such powerful warriors. Durakraman. If they start attacking you, you cannot stand before them. Baliyasaha, very strong, powerful fellows. So Jaya and Suprabha together have produced 50 and 50, 100 sons who are equivalent to 100 astra shastrani. That is what it is being said here. Tani chastrani vetyesha.
Tani chastrani vetyesha.
Yathavat kushikatmajaha.
Yathavat kushikatmajaha.
Apurvanam cha janane.
Apurvanam cha janane.
Shakto bhuyassa dharmavit.
Shakto bhuyassa dharmavit.
So Vasishtha is telling the entire spectrum of his Vishwamitra's abilities to handle all the ammunition and weapons and missiles, starting all the way from Prajapati, Krishasva Prajapati, then Daksha, all the weapons that they had, to Tanicha Astrani Eshaha Veti. He knows those Astrani which were generated by Jaya and Suprabha, 100 of them, all of them he knows. And yathavat, as it is. That means as written in the manuals, he knows all of, he knows how to use all those missiles. Yathavat Kushikatmajaha. So not only don't think that he knows only those old ones, old missiles only, old weapons only. Apurvanam cha janane shaktaha bhuyaha saha dharmavit. He is a dharmavit. That dharmavit Vishwamitra, apurvanam. Purvanam, anyway, okay, somebody else invented and he knows, he has read the manuals, he can apply them, he can use them. No. Apurvanam, that means not before, not in the past. That means janane, in creating. He can invent new missiles also. Apurvanam cha janane shaktaha. वो पुरातन वाले ही नहीं भाई, नया चीजों को भी, नया अस्त्रों को भी पैदा करने में इनका भी ये सकता है. शक्तः भूयः सह धर्मवित्. So he not only knows the old ones, he can also, he is able, powerful enough, able enough to invent new missiles, new astrani as required. एवं वीर्यो महातेजा.
एवं वीर्यो महातेजा.
विश्वामित्रो महायशाः.
विश्वामित्रो महायशाः.
न रामगमने राजन्.
न रामगमने राजन्.
संशयं गन्तुमर्हसि.
संशयं गन्तुमर्हसि.
एवं वीर्यः. This is the virya of Vishwamitra, who is Mahatejaha, Mahayashaha. It's all in Bahuvachanam, not in Bahuvachanam, Ekavachanam only, but it will sound like Bahuvachanam. It is Ekavachanam, Mahayashaha, Mahatejaha, Sakaranta Shabdaha. So, Samshayam Gantum na arhasi. You don't have to, you cannot be suspecting or doubting. Samshaya. Samshayam Gantum na arhasi. Why? Because again told in Bhagavad Gita, Samshayatma vinashyati. If you doubt, you will only finally lose. You will be the loser ultimately. So he is also, Ramayana also is saying the same. Samshayam na gantum arhasi. In what? Rama gamane rajan. In Rama leaving you, in Rama going away, you can't and need not have any doubt, any fear, any suspicion, any worry. Just let Rama go, is what Vasishtha is also counseling. Just the difference is, when Vishwamitra was talking, we were talking in Manyu. Here, when Vasishtha talks, we talk very politely and soft way. Tesham nigrahane shaktah. Swayam cha kushikatmajah.
Swayam cha kushikatmajah.
Tava putra hitarthaya.
Tava putra hitarthaya.
Tvamupetyabhiyachate.
Tvamupetyabhiyachate.
So now he is finally saying what we first said in the beginning. Tesham nigrahane kushikatmajah swayam cha shaktaha. He himself is able, he himself is able to handle nigrahane swayam shaktaha. He himself can handle all those rakshasas, maricha and all. So much of astras and all he has. But he said, right, in the 19th Sarga, he said that dikshayam asmi atah buddhihi na gacchati, buddhir na bhavati, he says, Vishwamitra, right? I am in diksha, so I do not want to fight and give shapas. And that is why I want Rama, right? And same thing Vasishtha is also saying. Arey, he Swayam, he himself, directly himself can handle all of them. But why did he come? Why is he asking? Tava putra hitarthaya. For the hita of your putra. To make Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. To make Rama Nishachara. What do we say? Nishachara. Siragham Dashrathatmanam Aprameyam Sitaprim Raghukalam Yaratnadipam Ajanubharandalayam Ramam Nishachara Vinashakaram. To make Rama the Nishachara Vinashakara. To make Rama Vigrahavan Dharma. He has come, man, not for his sake. He can handle it everything himself. He has come to make Rama the best. In your four walls here, Rama cannot be the greatest. He will be another Dasharatha at the most. But to make Rama the best, ultimate in your lineage in the world, only Vishwamitra can do it. Let him go with Vishwamitra. That is what he has come. Tvam upetya abhiyachate. He has come to beg you, not for any other purpose. Tava putra hitarthaya. For the welfare, for the best of your son. He has come to do it. Send him with him. Iti muni vachanat prasanna chitto.
Iti muni vachanat prasanna chitto.
Raghu vrishabhascha mumodha bhasvarangah.
Raghu vrishabhascha mumodha bhasvarangah.
Gamanamabhi rurocha varaghavasya.
Gamanamabhirurocha raghavasya.
Prathita yasha kushikatmajaya buddhya.
Prathita yasha kushikatmajaya buddhya.
Iti, thus, munivachanat prasanna chittaha raghu vrishabhaha cha bhasvarangaha mumoda. Abha. Finally, now mumoda, modam praptavan iti mumoda. Now he finally got delighted, Dasharatha. Oh, is it? Okay, now, so Vasishtha knew how to convince Dasharatha. Finally, it is for the best of Rama. If you can tell the parent that, if you send him to Sanghadeksha Varga, if you send him as Vistarak, if you make him a Pracharak, it is for your son's best or your daughter's welfare only. They will become the best. They will become the best managers. They will become the best leaders. They will become the best visionaries. They will become the best counselors. They will become the best interactors. They will become the best transactioners. If you can convince like that, which parent will not send? So we should learn how to convince the parents that it is for your best, your son's best only. If you send him, no college can teach, no university can teach, no professor can teach what they can learn in Sangha. Send them there, they will learn the best. After that, they have the entire life to keep you happy. That is what we have to convince when we talk to parents of our Swayamsevaks, our targeted Swayamsevaks, whom we want to pick and send them with Vishwamitra. So, iti munivachanat prasanna chittaha. Now, very pleasant mind, pleasant-minded Raghu Vrishabhaha, the Taurus of Raghus, and the best of Raghus. Bhasvarangaha, Angaha Bhasvara. They are sounding light. See the oxymoron. Sound and light. They are sounding light. Bhasvaraha. Bhasvarangaha, the best of light, glowing. Dasharatha. Mumoda. He has finally felt happy. Gamanam abhirurocha. Rurocha, now he has he's feeling good. Rocha, rochate. Ruchihi asti iti rochate. Rurocha, he has, now he's happy. In sending Raghava, Rama. Prathita yasha. Prathita yasha is yashas. Prathitam means pravruddham. What do you call? Multiplied, reputed. multiplied, reputed Dasharatha is now so happy to send Rama with Kushikatmajaya, with Kushika or Kushikatmaja ko dene ke liye. Buddhya, finally he made up his mind to send Rama with Vishwamitra, which means next chapter onwards we start learning what Rama has been learning through Vishwamitra. Let's keep our dhriti towards our Ramayanam lessons. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Ekavimshah Sargah Prajna, will you say Mangala Shloka? Shanti Mantra.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.